Hi, my name is Sarkirat and this is CryptoSardars YouTube University. Today we will learn how to install MetaMask wallet on our desktop and how to configure Polygon network in it. So let's begin. First of all, open your browser and type MetaMask on Google. Then go to official website of MetaMask and click download now. We are using Chrome here, but you can also use these supported browsers. So click on install MetaMask for Chrome. And click on add to Chrome. This will add MetaMask extension on your Chrome web browser. Now you can see MetaMask has been added to Chrome. Click on MetaMask. And click on get started and create your own account. Now if you already have an account, you can import your wallet through your 12 words recovery phrase, but I am going to create a new one, so click on create a wallet. Click on I agree after reading all these terms and conditions and create a new password for your MetaMask wallet. Click on next. Click on next. This step is very important. I cannot stress on this step more, so be careful. Write down your recovery phrase on a page and save it. It is like your key to all your crypto assets. If you lost your key or shared it with someone, all your crypto assets will be lost and will not be recovered even by MetaMask itself. So make sure to write it down on a page and never share it with anyone. Click here to reveal secret words. These are 12 secret recovery words. Write it down because it will ask you these words to verify in the next step. Now click on next and quickly fill up the words according to the order in which they were given to you. Click on confirm and congratulations, you have successfully created your MetaMask wallet. This is your MetaMask wallet. Currently only Ethereum mainnet is activated. We will have to add Polygon network in it. So click on add network and go to Polygon network. Click on configure Polygon on MetaMask and make sure you are on Polygon mainnet. not on Mumbai testnet tab. Now these are the settings you have to fill according to these settings. Now first copy your network name, Polygon mainnet, and paste it here. Now copy RPC URL and again paste it in the new RPC URL tab. Now copy the chain ID and fill it up here. Do the same thing for currency symbol and the block explorer URL. Click on save and you have successfully configured Polygon network in your MetaMask wallet. You can also verify your account by copying this public address and go to Polygon scan. And paste your account address here. This is your public address, and now currently we have 0 matic in our account. Thanks for watching and keep learning.